Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Welcome to my presentation. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Andi Torik, and I am from 1A Diploma for Informatics Engineering class. Some of us may think that career is a trivial matter. They might not even care about it, considering it as just means to earn a living, but in reality, career is more than that. Today, I would like to explain the importance of having a career. I hope that after this presentation, we will understand and care more about it. I will divide my presentation into three main topics. Firstly, we will discuss definition of a career. Secondly, I will answer the question like why having a career is important. And finally, I will answer the question how to get a good career. And in the end, I will make a conclusion. First of all, let's start by looking at what is a career. From these definitions, we can infer that a career is a long-term job that not only involves work but also progress and self-development within that field. Maybe from the definition I showed earlier, it will make us asking, what is the difference between job and career? However, actually both have differences. Jobs are part of career. Every job we do is a brick in building our career. Meanwhile, career is a journey that is not a final destination, but a journey that continues to grow. But in some contexts, they are often considered the same. Now that we have an idea of a career, let's turn our attention to why this is important. Maybe after the previous slides, questions like why is this important? Why do we need it? What if we don't have it? Is it worth it to have a career? Will arise in our mind. From many sources, I can conclude that there are four reasons. First, financial. With a career, we can securing our financial, which is essential for fulfilling basic needs such as food, shelter, clothing, and healthcare. And we can also fulfill other needs such as hobbies, education, and many more. With secure financial, we can reduce our stress, which is improving our quality of life. If we don't have them, then we will be depend on other people, which will make them uncomfortable. Second, personal development. As I said before, career is not just about work, but an opportunity to develop one's potential. Self-development is very important because it provides the ability of adaptation to various conditions or trends that are always changing over time. Example, in the past, when people developed software, they didn't need much technology. But now, technology is developing rapidly, making software development more complicated. Imagine if someone cannot adapt to the technology, maybe he won't be relevant anymore. Also, if we don't have self development, then we will have difficulty growing. The third, positive influence in society. Having a career allows us to make a positive impact on society. By taking on professional role, we can contribute through our work, create solutions, or inspiring people. If we don't inherit something, we will even feel like our work is useless, and sometimes will make us feel like we are useless in society. The last one is a reason for being. In this section, There is a connection with the previous one. Having a career is important because it can serve as our reason for being, which is often associated with the Japanese concept of ikigai. Ikigai represents combination of four essential elements. What we love, our skills, our purpose, and our profession that make money. Career aligned with this concept help us find meaning in our work and life. We already know the importance of a career. The next slide is to find out how can we get a good career and what should we prepare. Firstly, find interest. The first thing we have to do is the crucial thing, reflecting on our interests, skills, and values. This is very important because it determines the sustainability of our career. Then we can remember what activities or hobbies we often do. Secondly, research. After we find our interests, we can visit websites like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, or Indeed, or many more to see trends in job openings and skills. And lastly, make a list of careers that match our interests and the future. This is done in order to form the concept of reason for being that we mentioned earlier. Before we end, let me summarize the key points we have discussed today. Today we talked about what career really is. It is not just a job, it is a long journey of growth and finding what makes you happy. We also talk about why having a career is important. It can help you make money, feel good about yourself, and make a reason for living. And finally, we talk about how to choose the right career. It is important to think about what you are good at, what do you like to do, and what job market is like. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.